Hey y'all, it's Megan. Welcome back to the channel. Glad y'all are here today. Come along with us. We got a little garden work to do. We're gonna pull the rest of this garlic and I'm excited to see what some of this looks like. I'm gonna show you this real quick. Our pesky little deer's been back, so we've got Andy drove up some steaks, put some bone sauce on them. Hopefully they'll learn their lesson. Well, now this one's okay. This one's perfect.
Most of them so far have been.
That was good.
These?
Isn't it? Those other ones are over in that weird dirt.
Weird dirt.
Where the onions didn't do good.
Oh.
Look at that cute little thing. Ain't it too?
I had several like that. We had it planned.
Y'all look here, what a garlic harvest we got. This is which we've already picked part of it now, remember that, but we planted 10 pounds of garlic this past fall, and this is what we got off of it. We got some real nice looking heads in here. Who knows what I'm gonna do with it all, but.
There's some big ones way down in there. Like that one right there. That's nice. And some of them are a little rotten looking, but most of them look good.
Yeah, most of them did pretty good.
We throwed out the rotten ones there.
It's the best garlic we ever grew.
And a couple there.
Yeah,
absolutely.
This is absolutely the best garlic we've ever had. And like Andy said in a previous video, we've heard a lot of people on YouTube say that, so it must have been a good year for garlic, that's all I know.
Yeah, and I don't know much about garlic's fertilizer requirements, but this hadn't really got a lot.
Nope, and so what we'll do with part of this at least is we'll keep some of it as seed stock and we'll plant again this fall. About October, I reckon. Right?
Yeah. So what we're going to do now is fix these two beds where the garlic was, and we're going to replant us some some pink eye purple hull peas right here.
Yeah, our pink eyes that we have down in what we call the creek garden ain't hitting on too much, so we're going to plant some more.
We're going to plant some up here and just hopefully they do better. we got them peas put in. Hopefully these do better than the peas down in our other garden. You can see this, all we done was pulled the garlic up, scratched back that ground with it, made a little furrow with the hoe, and put the seeds in, covered them back up. Like I said, hopefully these do better than the last ones that we planted down across the creek. I think it's about to actually turn hot now, like it's supposed to be in June. And maybe they'll come on with it. Maybe we'll be eating some good old pink-eyed purple peas here before long. Yeah. Jacob's over here cutting these garlics off.
To end the day, the kids wanted to come take a ride on their four-wheelers and come down here and check on our wheat. If you followed us for, I don't know, at least the last year, this is where we used to plant our potatoes, and Andy came through last year and planted it with what? Red turkey wheat.
Yeah, red turkey wheat.
Which is an heirloom, old type of wheat, I think, right?
From my understanding, I never heard of it till I planted it. Now, what we're going to do with this wheat is another question. All this out in here is rye. This is not wheat. This long strip right here is wheat. And it's ready to be picked. It's dry. It's drier than I thought it was.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So typically you'd come through here with a combine and harvest it. Well, we don't have a combine that works. So if we do any harvesting on this, it's going to have to be done by hand. So I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do.
Anybody got any suggestions? Leave it down in the comments.
Well, I had thought about coming through with my disc mower that I mow hay with and just mowing it off and then going back and somehow or another bunching it up and taking it home. And then still don't know how we'd do the threshing process though. I mean, we could do it the old-timey way and do it all by hand, but good Lord. It would take forever. But honestly, I didn't expect it to make anything. I figured the deer would eat it up before it seeded out like this. So I really didn't have high hopes. But it has made something. They look pretty good. Pretty little wheat berries. So we might do something with it. I planted it, like I said, I had the big idea that I was going to harvest it and grind it for flour. And now that it's here, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. We'll do something with it, I guess. I really am, though. I am surprised the deer did not come through and just wipe it. Normally, the deer, when you plant wheat around here, the deer come through and they strip that head right there. So you'll have nothing but a bunch of stalks sticking up. And I can't believe this ain't like that. I'm really blown away. Right here's the one we need to keep a seed from, if you're gonna keep seed. That's one random tall one right there. Look at that, how much difference and how big the head is.
Mm-hmm.
Where these are a little bit smaller. That'd be the one to keep them from for sure. But anyways, I have no idea what we're gonna do with it. We just thought we'd come and check it. Last time I was down here, it was still a little on the green side. It's looking good now.
Anyways, guys, I guess that'll wrap it up for today's video. I appreciate all y'all watching. We appreciate all your continued support. And we hope you enjoyed this one a little bit. And anyways, we'll see you on the next one.